Hey everybody, how you doing? We are out on the 2008 Honda Shadow Aero on this beautiful sunny day. You guys might notice something different. I finally put the Apehangers on. Only had them since, October 2021, and it's May. No, I'm sorry, it's June now, 2022. But they are installed, and that's what's important. So these Apehangers are from J&P Cycles. They're 12 inchers. They're what they call the wide apes, which actually is really comfortable. The factory Aero beach bars are actually slightly wider than this. Double check, make sure we're in first again, because I'm still making those newbie mistakes. So in addition to picking up the bars, I also picked up a set of cables and a new brake line, specifically designed for this bike with 12-inch Apehangers on it. And I got those from Mean Cycles out of Florida. A little pricey, it ran a little over $300. Wasn't sure it was necessary, but I wanted to make sure I had everything I could possibly need before I dug into it. And I think that's what took me so long to do it. It was just a monumental task of, I've just never done this before. And honestly, messing with the brake line was my biggest concern. Come on, light, there we go. A lot of what I was reading online at the time said, hey, you can only go up to 10-inch, on a Shadow before you gotta swap your cables, brake line, etc., etc. Man, they're doing a lot of power work today. This is the second road that I've seen. They're out here working. So it turns out, on this 2008 Aero, at least in my case, the only thing I had to replace was the clutch cable. Everything else is still the factory Honda stuff, which actually worked out really well. The whole process, actually, I had the controls off the old bars and the old bars off within 30 minutes. Then I spent a lot of time measuring the gap between the two risers, angle, making sure everything's 100% square, and sitting on the bike, getting the angle just right. Now, I'm not a mechanic by any means. I don't pretend to be. I don't, honestly, kind of working on stuff is kind of a pain in the butt. But I probably got maybe, 4 hours into this whole thing, if that. Like, for instance, it took me longer to adjust the clutch cable than to install the new cable. So the handling took a little bit of getting used to. You definitely have to counter steer more than you did with the factory bars. But it's a good feel. It actually did not take as long to get used to as I thought it would, which is pretty nice. And since I went with 12s, my hands are about equal with my shoulders, so it's pretty comfortable. When they say online, having your arms up like this, you're a little bit more of a windsock. So you're catching a bit more air, which, yeah, that's definitely noticeable. But I'm also a lot cooler because my arms are up. So when I put these on again, heck yeah, I would. They're freaking amazing. And if this is something you're into, I definitely recommend freaking putting Apehangers on there. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Yeah, and I'm just going to keep riding around. It's a freaking beautiful day outside. Catch you guys later. See you.